Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add heading in Google Text. First of all, open your Google Docs and then open your project. Then select text that you want to turn into heading. Then look at the top normal text drop down menu and click here. And here you can see multiple option. Title is for title and subtitle is for subtitle. And then heading 1 is for heading 1. Click here for set your heading 1. If you want to add heading 2, then again go to normal text and select heading 2, and then again you can select heading 3, and that's it. If you think this is helpful, consider to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel How Fast for more quick and fast Google Docs tutorial.